In this video, we are going to show you how you can get the most out of Adobe Commerce for your online retail business. So stay tuned while we get straight into the video. An enterprise version of the well-known Magento e-commerce development platform is Adobe Commerce. It is a very strong and effective e-commerce platform. It may make it possible for proprietors of businesses to advance their enterprise to new heights, modify their digital marketing strategy, and reach the ideal audience. Most importantly, it can be set up to be extremely search engine friendly and was designed for scale. You can improve business processes, provide a streamlined customer experience, and boost sales by utilizing the Adobe Commerce platform. Nonetheless, to receive the rewards, you would want to apply a few hints and changes to completely enhance Adobe Commerce for ideal rankings. At the end of this video, you will know not only what Adobe Commerce can do, but also how to use it perfectly for your business's success. How to get the most out of Adobe Commerce for your online store is the topic of this video. 1. Utilize the live search feature. Probably the first way a customer interacts with your store is through search. When building an e-commerce store, it should be given top priority because it is an essential component of the customer experience. Adobe Commerce's live search tool elevates the store's user experience to a whole new level. You will be able to perform search and icing, thanks to the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies in the live search. As a result, you can provide personalized search results that increase sales and conversion rates. The search results will be produced more quickly and effectively. This will also provide you with precise search reports of what users are looking for, allowing you to improve your marketing or business strategies. Additionally, you can promote certain items in the search results. Product recommendations will also be improved as a result of the queries, which would result in improved customer experience and sales. 2. Make use of the self-service feature. Self-service is preferred by educated and modern customers, particularly in the B2B sector. Customers in the business-to-business industry prefer to conduct research prior to making a purchase, and Adobe Commerce simplifies this process. You can use this to place orders by SKU or by uploading CSV, manage purchases, quotes, and remaining credit, publish reviews of products, keep track of reward points, monitor and analyze order history, and also make it simple to reorder previous orders. You can also carry out a role and permission setting with it. Moving on to the third point, it easily integrate your third-party channels. Utilizing Adobe Commerce's ability to integrate with third-party channels via APIs or extensions, with CRMs and other customer service tools, is another important way to get the most out of it. The open-source platform Magento serves as the foundation of Adobe Commerce. As a result, CRMs and tools for reducing workload and improving business processes can be quickly and easily integrated. 4. Secure your customers' information. Customers and business-to-business buyers won't want their personal information widely known. First and foremost, you should never want your store's security to be on high alert. However, it is not an easy task to safeguard your trade data from cyber attacks. You can use Adobe Commerce Cloud's PCI attestation of compatibility to support your own PCI certification process because it is PCI certified as a Level 1 solution provider. You can monitor your websites and get alerts about security issues, malware, and illegal access with security scanning. Additionally, Adobe has a thriving global developer community, so you can rest assured that your Magento, Adobe website development security measures are always up to date. From the source code to the support team, Adobe can guarantee that your business is secure from A to Z so that you can effectively safeguard all of your data. Adobe is proud of the security features it provides. The fifth on the list is, you will spend less money. Magento Open Source, a reasonably priced option, is available from Adobe Commerce to small businesses. Magento Open Source can be downloaded for free. However, you may be required to pay for Adobe Commerce's Enterprise Edition if you are a high-earning brand or require additional functionality. You can test out free Magento plugins and extensions to enhance your online business's features and functionality. These outstanding benefits of Magento development can undoubtedly help you grow your clientele, without spending a lot of money. Before we proceed, hope you are getting value from this video. Kindly put this video first by clicking on the like button, and make sure to share this video to those it will be of great value to. Welcome back and thanks for staying tuned. 6. Boost your e-commerce performance. Due to numerous installed extensions or inadequate server settings, the Adobe Commerce backend frequently performs significantly slower than the front end. The admin now needs significantly more time to manage the shop. Adobe Commerce was designed to be adaptable and accommodating to even the most ardent users. The system separates each feature, so that changing one would not affect the others to ensure this flexibility. This flexibility indirectly contributes to the flaw's poor performance because a large number of files are read from thousands of archives each time a user visits an online store. Therefore, in order to improve your e-commerce performance, it is essential to install only useful extensions and reduce the number of extensions installed. 7. Utilize the SEO feature. If you want customers to visit your online store, SEO for Adobe Commerce is crucial. It is a smart idea to make your e-commerce platform search engine friendly. Your e-commerce store will appear higher on search engines like Google, the more optimized it is. The problem, though, is that search engines are more focused on assisting users than website owners are. They have complex algorithms that select websites of the highest quality, to show their users only the best of the best. As a result, you must ensure that your platform is optimized in accordance with search engine preferences. Relevance, usefulness, and authority are just a few examples. Adobe Commerce provides users with a variety of SEO techniques because the company recognizes the significance of search engine optimization to every online business. The access to these various built-in features can then be used to improve your website's position in search engine results. Moving on to number 8, integrate a cache system. The server will always respond to the same requests precisely, as it did the first time if caching solutions are not used. By incorporating a full-page cache, a team may experience a store response that is significantly quicker. At the back end, each identical request will be stored and not processed, which will result in an immediate response. Naturally, dynamic pages or portions of pages are unaffected by caching. However, if your store provides cached copies of the homepage or particular page elements like the header and footer, its performance will improve significantly. 9. Develop pages with the Page Builder. Adobe Commerce makes it simple to develop, modify, and even create new pages for your website without the assistance of developers. The Page Builder makes it simple for your marketing and customer service teams to create new pages for your website with drag-and-drop tools. You can use Adobe Commerce to quickly add or update new content and even launch new landing pages to target various customers, even if you lack technical skills like HTML and CSS, since it is an enabler of agile and effective marketing. The last on the list is product recommendations. Just like live search, Adobe Commerce makes use of customer data and insights to make relevant recommendations to customers in order to raise average order value and sales overall. Because companies like Amazon make 70% of their revenue from this feature, you need to make the most of it and take advantage of everything it has to offer. The Adobe e-commerce platform also provides B2B merchants with recommendations. A customer-specific product line is the focus of the recommendations in such a case. In conclusions, the Adobe Commerce platform can be utilized for e-commerce website development in a number of ways, some of which are outlined in this article. Adobe Commerce is the best platform for you if you want to quickly grow and scale your business to new heights and want amazing marketing capabilities. This is all we've got. What do you think of the strategy we stated in this video? Do you have another strategy to add? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you turn on your notification if you have not done so, so you will be notified when next we post a new video.